How to get out of credit card debt in Miami. Are you struggling with credit card debt in Miami? You're not alone. Greenlight Debt Relief is here to help. Don't worry, there are ways to get out of this financial rut. First, consider the snowball method.
This strategy focuses on paying down the account with the lowest balance first.
While doing this, continue making minimum payments on your other accounts to avoid late fees and credit damage. Next, look into debt relief programs. Florida offers such programs that can help you get out of debt in 36 to 60 payments. These programs allow you to settle your debt for a percentage of what you owe. You can negotiate with creditors yourself or enroll in a professional program for help. You might be wondering about debt forgiveness. Unfortunately, credit card debt forgiveness is unlikely. Credit card issuers expect you to repay the money you borrow. If you don't, your debt can end up in collections. Debt settlement is the closest alternative to forgiveness. If you're considering professional help, Pacific Debt Relief is a top-rated company. They have the highest customer satisfaction rating through the Better Business Bureau among the companies considered. They've been in business since 2008, providing reliable service. Lastly, consider speaking with one of our Miami, Florida financial advisors. They can help create a plan to get your debt under control. Typically, they'll advise you to pay off the debts with the highest interest rates first and then work down the list. Getting out of credit card debt may seem daunting, but with the right strategy and resources, it's achievable. Remember, the first step is always the hardest. You should now have some ideas on how to get out of credit card debt in Miami. So take that step today and start your journey towards financial freedom. For help with Miami, Florida debt relief, contact Greenlight Debt Relief today, 877-870-0717